Management is the art of orchestrating and supervising business activities to meet specific objectives. It involves planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources, ensuring that organizational goals are met efficiently while accommodating resource usage, employee needs, and environmental demands. In business, resources are managed across various categories: human resources, including employees and their skills; financial resources, such as budgets and capital; material resources, like equipment and technology; and intellectual resources, comprising knowledge and proprietary information. The goals of management focus on boosting productivity by leveraging resources effectively, creating a structured environment where roles are clear, maintaining quality and continuous improvement, and aligning operations with strategic objectives while adapting to change. Management plays a crucial role in business by coordinating activities to align with broader goals, setting clear objectives, ensuring resource efficiency, resolving problems, and fostering innovation to remain competitive in dynamic markets. The core functions of management encompass planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning involves setting goals and strategizing to achieve them, providing direction and reducing risks through resource allocation, like setting quarterly sales targets. Organizing involves structuring resources to efficiently achieve objectives by determining roles, delegating tasks, and arranging resources, such as assigning employees to project teams based on their skills. Leading is about guiding and motivating employees to work towards organizational goals. This requires communication, motivation, and leadership skills to inspire teams, as seen when a manager uses encouragement to rally a team towards a common goal. Controlling refers to monitoring performance and making necessary adjustments to meet goals, which involves setting standards, measuring outcomes, and implementing corrective actions, like adjusting strategies based on quarterly sales reviews. Top-level management includes executives like CEOs, who focus on long-term strategies, vision, and high-level decisions, shaping company culture and setting overall goals, providing a broad strategic direction for the organization. Middle-level management oversees departmental operations and translates executive goals into specific objectives. They ensure team alignment with these goals, exemplified by a regional manager ensuring local branches meet company standards. First-line management consists of supervisors and team leaders managing day-to-day operations, directly interacting with employees, scheduling, and resolving immediate issues, such as a retail shift supervisor overseeing daily performance. Effective management is integral for aligning efforts with organizational missions, improving efficiency through resource management, fostering team collaboration, and encouraging growth and innovation for continuous improvement. Management styles significantly impact outcomes. Autocratic styles are efficient for quick decisions, but can diminish morale. Democratic styles encourage engagement, yet may slow decisions. And laissez-faire styles foster creativity, but need monitoring for accountability. In a retail store case study, low morale in sales were addressed by a new manager through clear weekly goals, staff schedule reorganization, employee motivation, and strategy adjustments, resulting in improved morale and sales. Management is vital for organizing resources, guiding teams, and achieving goals. It involves balancing planning, organizing, leading, and controlling to drive success. Understanding various management styles allows managers to tailor their approaches to different situations and team needs, enhancing their ability to achieve organizational objectives effectively.